Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's tutorial is going to be on this crochet fauxlocc wig using a closure. So first thing you want to do is to lay down your closure on your wig cap, and I'm using the crochet wig net cap because with this one it makes it quite easier, but it's somehow a struggle to actually sew down the closure on the crochet net cap. But if you take your time, you just want to pass the needle through the wig cap just the way I am doing gradually, and you want to make sure you sew it round. Make sure when you're sewing the closure, when you pass the pin through the wig cap into the closure, you like make a knot like what you guys can see I'm doing, just to secure the closure on the wig cap, since you're not going to be sewing it round twice. You want to make a center parting space on the closure, and then I'm going to be using water to spray the closure just to lay it down to keep the flyovers together. And then I'm going to be tying one to the left, one to the right, and another one at the back. So guys, if you're watching this video and you haven't subscribed to the channel, please hit the subscribe button, give this video thumbs up, and also drop comments down below. You guys should just keep watching and see what I am doing. So guys, after doing single braids on the closure, what you want to do is to pass the crochet pin through the single braids on the closure, and then you pass the crochet hair, and then you put it through the crochet pin hook, both the single braids and the crochet hair, and you tie it together just to secure it. Then you want to unwrap the crochet hair and begin to wrap it round the single braids. When you're doing this, you have to wrap it from the root so that the single braids doesn't show through. So you guys should just keep watching and see what I'm doing. And then when I wrap it to a particular point, I'm going to be using the crochet pin. I'll pass it through the crochet hair, and then I'll pull through the braiding hair. You guys should just keep watching and see what I'm doing. So this is the point that you're going to pass the crochet pin, and then I'll put the braiding hair there, I'll clip the hook, and then I'll pull it through inside the hair so that it doesn't show out. When you're doing this, when you're passing the hook, you have to make sure the hook passes through the middle of the crochet hair. That's the best way you're going to achieve this. And also too, for this crochet hair, this is actually the second time I'm using this hair, so you could actually use your crochet braids hair twice, 3 times. It depends on how you care for the hair. The first time I used it, I have a video with this hair which I was showing you guys how you could hide the elastic band if you don't have a closure or a frontal or even a net to use. I'm going to be linking that video here, so you guys should just check the cards. And also too, with the 2 methods I just showed you guys, which is the wrapping method and the passing the crochet hook through the crochet braid hair, you could actually do the wrapping method from the beginning of the hair to the end. It's just that why I had to use these 2 methods is because my closure is quite long, so I didn't want to start wrapping it from the beginning to the end. So whichever one you're comfortable with, you could actually do that. So you guys should just keep watching, and also to please do not forget to subscribe to the channel. So once we are done with the front of the hair, now needs the back. So you just want to keep crocheting the crochet braids to the wig cap. So I have a very detailed tutorial on how to make a crochet braid, and I'll be linking it right now, so you just click the cards to watch it. So at this point, you want to cut the crochet wig cap that is under the closure. So you just go in with your scissors and then you cut that out. So since this is actually the second time I'm using this crochet braid hair, so I just went in with scissors and I tried to like trim it. And also too, I'm going to be using this styling gel hold just to keep the flyovers on the hair together. I'll spray it, and then I'm going to also be using mousse on the hair just to give it that extra hold and extra shine. So guys, you just want to go ahead, accessorize the hair and lay down your baby hair. So this is it guys for this video. Thank you all so much for watching. Thank you for subscribing and giving this video thumbs up, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye.